Sanibonani, nginibingelele ubingelelo uLondeka wakwaDlamini aka Londi D, kanti-ke ubukela inqubo yethu eBlack Life TV. Nawe uyazi-ke masithi exe lokishi. Angihambi ngedwa, ukhona ubhuti engihamba naye. Sawubona bhuti wami.
Njani?
Sikhona. Umagebu uyakhuluma.
Oh.
Ngikuzwa kahle. Ubhuti bayigama lakhe.
My name is Lavelle Short.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from Durban.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, njengoba bhuti wami ula njengamanje uhlolisi Excel lokishi la sazikhona ukuthi sisuke si-check igenge ngenama-shelter engenayo indawo yokuhlala igenge esebenzisa idakamizwa. Wena njengoba ula namhlanje ufike kanjani la ukhona?
Okay, basically what had happened was, growing up, you get influenced to a lot of things like, drugs and stuff.
Yes.
With friends and stuff like that, So back at home, like Ilukshin.
Okay.
How can I put it? You've done a lot of wrong things growing up. So what had happened was, being, how can I say, being naughty,
Okay.
and stuff like that. So, when you're doing drugs, you end up stealing and stuff like that. So you end up causing problems, within the place where you live.
Okay.
So you have to, what that ends up happening, you're forced to at that time now to leave there, and find another place, which is town, because town has a lot of ways of, what they say, pantering, hustling,
Okay.
So basically, I hustle with recycling right now,
Okay.
and then
So if
But-
ever uthi nenze izinto ezirong, izona ziphi mhlawumbe uma ngibeka esithombeni noma ubeka umlaleli noma umbukeli ukuthi izona ziphi izinto ezirong enanizenza before up until uzofike la njengamanje?
Okay, basically, when you do stuff like within the area, with friends and all that, what it happens is that what I done, you get these houses where people are renovating the houses and stuff like that. Yeah. So we would go into the houses, take the electrical copper out
okay.
and stuff like that there. And then majority of the time, it's always with people, like your friends and stuff like that there. Your friend would tell you, hey, you know what, there's a certain place that's, empty. Why we don't go there and just see what we can do, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So then, with all that, as time goes by, you doing it to a lot of people's properties, So they say when you're doing things like that, like your world gets very small, you know what I mean? Fair enough, people won't know at that time who it was, but eventually when they do find out, they're going to press charges against you, you understand?
Oh.
And that's the point where now you end up leaving where
Okay.
you're staying and coming to town, because you know what I mean.
Okay. So since ke ususukile la usuka khona ufika la njengamanje edrobheni, how was it ukuhlangana nabantu ongabazi at all? Uzama ukwenza i-friendship nabo.
I'll be honest with you, it was very hard.
Okay.
It is very hard coming into, you see, they call town no man's land. That's what they call it. It was very hard for me to get to know the guys and stuff like that, because you know what I mean, I'm colored, and then I also got this thing about me that, how you are when you come from, when you're growing up, that you are macho man and stuff like that, yeah. But then it really doesn't pay to have that style, you know what I mean?
Okay.
You just humble yourself, hustle how you're hustling, and then, like I said to you, I'm with the recycling and stuff like that, yeah. And then when I came here, there was a good few times I did bump heads with other guys and stuff like that, yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Where knives were drawn, guys tried and rob, but then they never succeed, because if you're a person that's going to keep quiet, then they're all going to succeed, yes. But if you stand up, you know what I mean, and you say, you know what, this is mine, no one's taking my things and stuff like that, then they know for next time.
Okay. So do you have any qualifications?
I do have qualifications, but I did not finish school.
Okay.
I've worked in I've worked in Cecil Oil Refinery, Secunda. I worked in Sepref, I worked in Engine, that's on the Bluff, well, Wentworth. I'm a mechanical fitter by trade.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yeah, so it's just a few resources, and let me highlight that few resources and how can I say a help, in terms of the addiction and stuff like that,
Oh.
in order for me to
So,
get my life
so
sorted.
since usebenzisa ama-drugs,
Yes.
kuyenzeka yini liphela usuku ungawasebenzisanga or liyaphela nje kahle ungawasebenzisanga futhi ungabi nankinga?
Oof, no. There's a thing with drugs is called withdrawal symptoms.
Okay.
So if you don't have it, you are going to get very sick. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not that you can do it today and tomorrow you're not doing it. It also
Okay.
depends on what drugs you're doing. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's basically it.
So wena uma wafuna thola ukuthi nemali awunayo ukumise kanjani?
You see, that's why I said I've got. You see, in the time I've been in town, I've got places where my recycling, like my boxes,
Oh,
my cans and stuff like that, where I do get from certain restaurants and stuff like that. There. You know what I mean?
okay.
It's the relationship as time went on that I built with these people. So I don't need to go out there to rob someone to do. You know what I mean? To try and
Okay, so
cover that money, whatever I need.
all right. Uyafisa ukubuyela ekhaya?
Yeah, I wish.
Wish. So since usasebenzisa ama-drugs, uyafisa ukwayeka ama-drugs?
No, I can leave it. I can
If
leave
ever
it.
ngafika umuntu njengamanje ozokuthatha ethi uyise rehab.
Yes, I
Ungavuma?
can go.
Okay, that's good.
I can go.
Sizozama ukwenza indlela ukuthi uthole usizo ukuthi uye rehab
Okay.
at least so
Ngiyabonga.
that uzokwazi ukubuyela back ekhaya.
Ngiyabonga.
That's good.
Sure.
Alright ke babukeli nizwele nisibonele abantu bafisa ukuguquka bayafisa ukushintsha ezintweni ezimbi abazenzayo nabazenza. So please ningabajaji abantu. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, it's Black Life TV. Sinithandana.
Peace.
It's the Black Life TV.